This is a question from binomial distribution where we have to try to find the value of k and n using binomial expansion. Now firstly, you should be aware with what is a binomial expansion, how do we write it. So we'll start with nc0 a to the power n b to the power 0, nc1 a to the power n minus 1 b to the power 1, nc2 a to the power n minus 2 b to the power 2, and so on. It will go till the end. Now the n terms are actually not required because we will be mainly covering up the first three terms. From there we can get all our required numbers. So let us try to expand 1 plus kx to the power n. So if it is 1 plus kx to the power n, then first term will be nc0 1 to the power n kx to the power 0. So that will be basically nc0 only, plus nc1 1 to the power anything will be 1, so we can ignore that now on, kx to the power 1, and the next term, the last term which I'll be writing is nc2 kx to the power 2. Now nc0 is 1, so that 1 will be same as the one which they have given on the right hand side, but the next term can give us a certain result. Let us try what do we get from there. So the value of nc1 will be n, and then I have kx. Now this nkx can be compared with 48x, and I can get the value of nk as 48. That is like my first equation. And similarly for the second one, I will look at the next, which is nc2 k square x square, which will be compared with 1008 x square, and that will give me nc2 k square is equal to 1008. Now when we will expand nc2, let me first show that, then we will come back to the previous part. So if it is nc2, then it will be n factorial by 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial, and that will give me n minus 1 over 2. How to write this? For that you should further practice some factorial notation and NCR terms, so that you will understand how I got n minus 1 by 2. So I can go back to the previous one. This will be n minus 1 by 2 k square is equal to 1008. So in all I have this as one of the equation, and another equation is that. Okay, now from here what I can do, I can just divide both the equations. When I will divide both the equations, I will get one more result, which I will write on the next slide. So the results what we have is nk is equal to 48 and n minus 1 by 2 k square is equal to 1008. On dividing them, it will give me n minus 1 k square over 2 times nk, and on the other side I have 1008 by 48. N and k will get cancelled, and we will get another equation over here. When I multiply k inside the bracket, I will get nk minus k, and 2 goes on the other side, so it will be 1008 over 48 times 2. It will be 24, and then with 24 we'll try to cancel out 1008. It can go with 6, so 6 4s are, 6 1s are, then 6 6s are, then 6 8s are, and then it can go further with 4 4s are, and 2s are. The value of nk will be 48. I will replace directly. So 48 minus k is equal to 42, and the value of k on rearranging the terms will be 6. The value of k is done. We can put it back in nk. So n times 6 is equal to 48. The value of n will be 48 divided by 6, that is 8. So that is how I got both n and k value, and this is how we need to solve such type of questions. So I'm hopeful that whatever we have done in this question, it's clear. If there is any doubt in any of the part, then try to watch that part of the video one more time. If you have understood everything from this video, then try to share this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then subscribe it. See you in the next video.